Fuck, this is gonna be bad. Block some traffic. All right, here we go. I think people are still getting on their bikes. Jesus, still coming out. There's got to be over 100. I hope someone got a count. Hi, bud. You're late. All right, YouTube, welcome to the Hawaiian Shirt Grom Ride Out in Tampa, Florida. So I'm gonna be a little quiet in the beginning. I gotta herd these cats past the speed trap. As soon as we get past that, we'll start the shindig. There's the first cat. Hey, bud. No wave. This is gonna be an interesting video, guys. If you're new here, do me that favor, hit that subscribe link. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Get your ass in the back. You don't know where the f we're going. I don't get fucking GoPro. Picture time. I don't know if I can get them all. Here, Zach. Go give her a card. I need all the subscribers I get. Thanks, bud. If you guys don't remember Zach, he was the one that got pushed over by the Black Gear villain at Grom Day.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Hey, come here. Zach. I'm gonna stiff arm you. He's in PTSD. I'm so rusty. I'm so bad. Get out of here with that. Don't film me. What is he doing? What the fuck is he doing? Get Trevor with his new Grom plastics. Feeling all spicy. Look at him go.
I'm a slut for the camera.
We're just gonna take it over, so just block it. I'm fucking proud of this moment. This is amazing. We still have all these people on wheelies and bow ties. We lost half the squad in the first block. So, yeah, I'm proud of this. That's good things. All right, downtown Dunedin. Hey, Cameron, pop it up. Yeah, boy. Leading us the right way. She likes it. Hi. Hey, I like your mustache. Alright, visor down. Shenanigans have begun. Alright, guys, Hawaiian Shirt Grom Ride Out 2019 here in Clearwater, Florida. Somebody count for me. Jesus, there's a lot more than I thought there was. Hey, Jeff. This guy's mask. That's very festive and scary. Alright. Hey, I can't. Sorry, Adam. I didn't mean to leave you hanging. So how many was that, YouTube? Leave a comment down below. Oh, by the way, the secret word for today, Team Snap, is Segway. We'll go with that. He's doing a burnout block of traffic. That's awesome. Hey, get a real bike. Ukulele. There's a ukulele back here.
Somebody's hiding. He's crowding my icebox.
That's so cool. Seems very choppy. Looks like my wheelies. Hey, Rocky. Oh, come on, bud. I can't do that. Hi. Hey, the Scientologists. They're not allowed to smile.
Hey, you got your camera?
Yeah.
Zach and whoever else.
Go slow. I'll get you guys and then I'll work my way back.
Both lanes.
I'd say we take up all the lanes. Oncoming too. Hey Josh, we didn't account for traffic. Hey, don't move.
Go for it.
Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. You're my finger's stuck. I don't even know what to do on that bike. I don't want to touch it. It's like $5 grand if I fuck something up. Alright, so this is what it's like to go to the beach here during the summer months. Jeez, it's like a banana coming at me. shit. It's got a good perm job. Brandon can't be bored. Clearwater Aquarium, if you want to see the dolphin, Hope, I think it is. No, what's the other one? The dolphin without tail, over there. What's the other one? Flipper, Skip, break me off a piece of that. Hope Dolphin, what the fuck is his name? Hope the Dolphin, whatever. There it is, Clearwater Aquarium. Nub, nub, a dolphin nub, I don't know. Oh, look at the doggy, 2 doggies. Fuck that dog. Boop. We're over the beach, baby. Oh, no, not a good place to do wheelies, but okay. It's a horrible place to do wheelies. Look it. Hello. Hi. Welcome to Clearwater. Get a real bike. I'm gonna go get a beverage before the masses come. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's up, man? This place is about to get destroyed.
There's a bag.
All right, YouTube, we are back. Got a Red Bull, feeling good. Time to wake up. Wheelie way. All right, we're gonna continue this thing. Maybe I take a little picture. Hey, Zach, you wanna grab his wheel? I was trying to get you and Nikki like holding hands or something cute. Like a Pinterest moment. Oh. I like those shoes. Oh, there he is! He's doing it! This is the time to do it. You know, he's figuring out the basics, because then he's going to learn how to wheelie, and then he's going to be unstoppable. Think about it. If he was doing that in a wheelie, your fucking mind would be blown. You gonna do it? Oh shit. Alright. Oh, it's a fake cop. He knew it was a fake cop. Oh, that's so sick. Hey, there's another fake cop here. Daniel, pop it up, pop it up. Pop it up, pop it up. It's a fake cop. I think there was a cop in there. The other one gets us thinking that there's not a cop in there and that there's one in there. Alright, gotta go. Time to blend. Alright, so this is a local Tampa Grom Squad member, Sam, right there. His facilities. He knew what it was going to happen. He saw how many people signed up for this. Hopefully he's ready to feed us. You ready for this?
Yeah, I didn't believe there'd be this many.
Alright, we're back. Salt Public House, local Grom Squad owner Sam. Do appreciate the hospitality. They actually did a very good job of getting us in and out. So shout out to the cooks back there. We do appreciate it. We're going to be coming back here for a lot of mid-ride chills because great little scene. If you guys ever vacation down in Clearwater area, stop by Indian Rocks Beach, see Salt Public House, look for the guy with the beard, tell him Photogrammer sent you. No, I don't want to go over.
I know.
I don't want to go over. No. Yeah. 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 Yeah, I was about to slam it into it. $1,200. Oh. Yeah. Nice floaty. Alright, so while we're taking a break, 2 cops showed up, but we talked to them. They're cool. They saw the wheelies. But as to be expected, they're not waiting for us or anything crazy like that. At least that's what he told me. So we're just going to continue the ride. You know, watch where we pop them up. Maybe not right in front of the cops. If that cop's watching, I assure you we did not think you were in there. Sorry. Take it easy, bud. He's not looking. He's waiting to pull over. He's waiting to pull over Daniel. Daniel's so sketched. He did the wheelie in front of the cop. He's like sketched out. Oh shit. He's gonna get in trouble again. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, we're gonna continue the ride. We're gonna go hit up some wheelie roads and then work our way towards downtown Tampa, so stay tuned. The ride's about to get interested. Oh shit, he was lounging. This fucking guy. I'm telling you, man, 2020 is going to be a huge year. He's going to be popping that thing up. He's already got the basics down. He's going to be solid. What the fuck just happened? Speed run. There's a kid hanging out the back. Alright, we're going to head towards downtown Tampa. On the way, might as well hop it up. Yep, no, don't come down. Oh shit, the Stockton knot. Grom, he had to change the plastics. Too many people were thinking I was him. Uh-oh. I think he just blasted up. Tyler just yelled at him. I think he blasted all the way to the front. Hey, Zach. Look at him dancing up there. I'm just doing double peggers, which I heard, not a real stunner. You got to be able to do like seats and that thing. I disagree. I say I'm a real stunner. My wheel's up. And there's no Black Gear villain to knock him over this year. Guy's still dancing up there. Let me know what you guys think about that guy's dance moves. No, it's fucking bobbing and weaving people. Woo! Fuck, man. That's a cool sight. Look at that. Still going strong, man. Everyone that showed up to this and kept riding, this was by far a pretty boring ride, especially going through the beach. Hot, not much happening. Everyone that stuck around, this is where the fun starts happening. What's wrong with this guy? Moing. It just breaks your headlight. Someone straight. What the fuck? Jamis, no, Jesus. Just when I think that man can't get any crazier. Oh my God. I see bike stop back there. Hopefully his dumbass didn't get ran over. Jamis, I hope you're okay. That was fucking stupid, bro. Middle fucking. Alright, anyway, let's just hope he was waddling his ass back to his bike and caused a little bit of a traffic jam. Hopefully nobody went down too. Hopefully I didn't just insert a clip of someone going down. In here. Thank you. Said someone went down. Was it bad? Did it? And he got back up? Okay, thank you. Did you see what happened? No. Some lady said someone went down back there. Yeah. Well, Demis was in the fucking middle of the road. You see that? Yeah. Fucking idiot. He was right in the middle. I rode by and fucking I was like, oh, there's a bike, no one's on it. And I look, he's in the middle of the fucking road with his GoPro. I'm like, come on, dude. I think that might have fucked some shit up. Cause I didn't see him, I saw his bike, and then I saw him like as I was passing him, and all those cars were right on their asses, so I think someone probably grabbed some handbrake. Let me ask this girl. Hey, did you see anybody else? Excuse me. Did you see any bikes like laying down on the bridge?
Yeah, actually.
But,
Like 25 bikers all just like blocking the road basically.
back there?
Yep.
Sorry. Someone's on the side of the road? Alright, thanks. She was mad.
Look, motor vehicle collision, Gandy Bridge.
Yeah.
So somebody ate shit. That's Sunstar, fire rescue, a truck, and a...
All right. So were people that were not crashed staying with them?
Right.
Okay. So there's people that didn't crash that are staying with them. We shouldn't go back there. There's no sense in us going back there.
They got that fucking lane shut down.
Yeah.
And all that shit, bro.
I say we go to Tampa, or we go somewhere and we go somewhere not here. There's nothing we can do here. Either we go to that gas station right there and chill. There's nothing we can do. They're on a fucking bridge. We'd have to go backwards. Amber just said there's cops coming, ambulance coming, fire coming. So, I mean, I want to get to them, but there's literally nothing we can do. And how many people stayed with them that didn't crash? A bit? Yeah, so.
I'd say at least 10 or more.
I mean, it's...
It was a fucking nasty. 2 people collided, and then they went to go down, and then, like, there was no way this other person could fucking avoid it. He just fucking went right into them.
Alright, YouTube, I regret to inform you that per the clip that I inserted, I just learned that we had a bad crash and we have people on the way to the hospital. So we're gonna call it a ride and then head to the lot now. And yeah, I don't know what to say. I'll let you guys discuss in the comments below. I think you guys can assume what my my thought on this is. I mean, I don't even know what to say about that one. This was a well organized ride all the way up until shit just fell apart there. Yeah, I mean, we did a good job keeping everyone together, which usually never happens. But the whole standing in the middle of the bridge thing, that was a new thing I was not expecting. And one more thing we got to add to the safety brief. So shit like that is why we don't have group rides, big group rides. It's just dangerous. It's just safety. And Trevor hit the nail on the head with that. We're checking people all ride, tell them to get in the back, and the reason was to be able to control safety. We didn't want anybody speeding away doing stupid shit like that. So anyway, yeah, feel free to leave your comments down below. I'm sure there's a lot of opinions out there on this one. You know, I don't know. Whatever. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Maybe.